with the Equity Management Academy live trading room. What I would like to do now is just take a couple of minutes here, and I want to review the weekly numbers, basically, that we posted and published on Saturday. We publish the swing trading signals algorithms every Saturday, and we prepare you for the following week. Let's take a look at what the algorithms were saying basically as we came into the early part of this week so far. This is the second trading day. So what this algorithm does basically, it gives you the momentum, the trend momentum basically, and let me just share with you out loud so that you can hear the algorithm. The June gold market closed at the June gold futures contract closed at 1191. The market closing below the 9-day moving average of 1198 is confirmation that the weekly trend momentum is bearish. So coming into this week, we had a little bit of a bearish note in that the price closed below the 9-day moving average, and so that is a signal. When the first time it crosses that moving average, it alerts you it's bearish trend developing. But it also tells you that if it closes above 1198, that this bearish short-term trend will be neutralized. The second component of the algorithm is the weekly momentum indicator, with the market closing below the VC weekly price momentum indicator of 1193. It confirms that the price momentum is bearish. 1193 is the pivot point for the week, or the metrics for the week, that identifies a trend. Above is bullish, below it's bearish. But if it closes above 1193, it would negate this bearish signal to neutral. Let's take a look at where we are right now, and let me put on the daily chart that we activated this latest signal that we have open, and we're going to take a look why we activated the signal. Basically, on the left here you see the daily closing of the June contract in gold, and basically coming into the market here on the close of the 29th, the expectation was that it was a bit bearish, that we could be looking at basically, a bearish note. And in fact, when we came in on a Monday here, we made a low of 1184 on Monday. 1184 was the low, and then it took off into the sell one resistance that we see here on the daily of about 1201, as high as 1205. Now, if you take a look at the algorithm, that it tells you that if it came down below 1193, that it could get down to as low as 1178, but look to take profits on shorts at the buy one level of 1178 to 1164. The low was basically 84. It was $6 away from the low. That's where the energy kicked in to buy. All the buying came in, and basically the market rallied all the way up to about 1205, about $2 away from our target, and that we basically anticipated that if you bought anywhere down here, look to take profits as we reach the sell one and sell two levels. Now, we kind of are missing the market triggering or penetrating the numbers. And what you want to do is basically use your direction that you have a choice, either to be, conservative, which is to wait until the market touches those prices, and then a close above it would activate the algorithm. Or, as we are looking at right now, the market is trading at 1194.20. The daily algorithm is 1193, the daily pivot point, and it's in harmonic timing with the weekly algorithm of 1193. When you are able to identify the daily algorithms at the same level as the weekly algorithms, that is what we call harmonic timing, and it is a high probability that the resolution of the signal would be in its directional identity, in its directional trend that it seems to be identified. A close above 1193 is going to activate the swing uptrend. Your targets obviously would be the 1207 to the 1222 levels that are indicated in the weekly report. And it tells you right here to exit your longs at 1207, which is the sell one level on the weekly, and 1222. We match almost to a T the same levels here. So you can see the reaction of the market moving into this resistance level here is going to be met by some profit-taking resistance that seems to be indicated by basically this trend lines that we use in order to identify the trend resistance levels and points that we want to identify as support and resistance. So the gold market, once again, just to reiterate, a close above 1193 would activate the weekly uptrend. Your targets are 1207 to 1222 on the weekly, 1201 to 1214 on the daily so far. We will update this report tonight by 7 o'clock, and we will prepare you for tomorrow's markets. This is Patrick MontesDeOca. This is the information that we use basically to produce the results that you can see, that you can view in the website. If you go to my homepage, Equity Management Academy, we just published a report that basically talks about the gold cartel and $3,500 gold. And you can read it on your own, but it's a recent interview that was done with Greg Hunter and Bill Murphy, in which he discloses the fundamental situation in the gold market. He talks about the gold cartel suppression of gold and silver prices, leading to what appears to be pointing to $3,500 gold and $100 silver. You can read it in your own time. But what we do here, regardless of obviously the fundamentals that we do take into place to look at the big picture, and this is a big picture in the gold market, particularly in the silver market that we're looking at. And if you go to this part of the website here, this tab shows you the results up to date. If you click on read more, it will take you to EMA2TRADE-LiveSignals.com, and we have just posted the results for the month of May, and I would like to share them with you. What appears to be happening here is that the most successful program so far that we have, that is running a high probability of success based on real trading results that we do in the room. We transfer those trades to this website, and we're getting on the swing trades about a 90% probability of success in real trades. These are real trades that we have done in the room. Out of a total basically 95 trades. 7 have been losing trades with 88 profitable, making about 3 to 1 profit. The largest win is 15,000, largest loss is 5,007, so it's about a 3 to 1 risk reward ratio 93% of the time. These are phenomenal numbers that are not back tested. These are based on real trades that are posted in the room, that are executed in the room live, and we show you basically how to execute and deploy these kinds of trades. What you see here is basically the chart of the equity curve that shows you the resilience of the program. This is based on real trades that we execute in the room. These are not hypothetical trades. These are not back-tested trades. These are real live trades executed in the room. This is basically one of the best programs I think that we've been able to put together. And you can click on here and you can see the end results for May to be $7,185. And we have out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades. We have 2 wrong. April, 6,920. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades winning in a row. March, profit 6,600 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades in a row. That's 3 months in a row. Profitable trades. February, 22,600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in a row profitably. January, 14,880. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades in a row, 2 profitable. These are real trades that are documented, that we post basically and trade them in the room here at the Equity Management Academy. For more information, please feel free to contact me. My name is Patrick MontesDeOca, and you can reach me at basically the toll-free number 877-733-1511, or you can call me direct at 805 area code 418-1744. You can email me at support@ema2trade.com. That's support at ema with the number 2trade.com. This is Patrick MontesDeOca. Thank you for the opportunity to share this phenomenal trading tool with you. And until next time, my friends, take care. Good trading and be well.